Let me get a consensus here. How many of you have used conditional formatting to highlight duplicate values between two tables like this, only to find that item duplicate and unique to table 1 are also highlighted? For example, Harrison only exists in the first table, not the second table. Well, if you're looking for a solution for that, this is how you solve it. First, you're going to right click on the sheet name, view code, and after that, you're going to go all the way up, go VBProject, insert module. In here, you're going to paste these two VBA subroutines. If you'd like to have a copy of this VBA subroutine, please leave a request on the comment section. There's two subroutines here. The first one is to highlight the cell and the second one is to clear the highlights. Now Ctrl S to save, close your VBA editor. Now we're going to assign a hotkey for those functions. Go developer, macro, select highlight, go option, Ctrl H to highlight the cells and then go to clear and options. And to clear, we're going to press Ctrl C to clear, OK, and going to cancel. To test, select both tables and press Ctrl H to highlight duplicate. If the name like Harrison isn't in both tables, it won't be highlighted. Press Ctrl C to clear highlights.